Sisters, are you tired? Exhausted by the constant demands, negativity, and chaos of the world? Do you crave a sense of calm, control, and inner strength to navigate this often toxic environment? We all wear different masks. We juggle countless roles: mothers, daughters, sisters, friends, colleagues. We carry the weight of expectations, both internal and external. We face a world that can be demanding, judgmental, and even cruel. But what if I told you that there exists a philosophy, an ancient wisdom, that can equip you with the tools to not only survive, but thrive in this environment? What if I told you that you can cultivate inner strength, resilience, and peace amidst the storm? Today we embark on a journey together. We delve into the world of Stoicism, a philosophy embraced by emperors, warriors, and everyday individuals alike. We uncover 7 key skills, 7 pillars of strength, that can empower you to navigate life's challenges and emerge victorious. The first skill we encounter is the mastery of your emotions. Imagine a world where you're not ruled by anger, fear, or anxiety. Imagine responding to situations calmly and rationally, with a clear head and a steady heart. Stoicism teaches us to become observers of our emotions, to understand their triggers and their effects, and to choose how we respond to them. This is not about suppressing your emotions, but about understanding them and harnessing their power. The second skill is the art of focusing on what you can control. We often waste precious energy worrying about things that are beyond our influence: the weather, the economy, other people's opinions. Stoicism teaches us to identify what is within our control, our thoughts, our actions, our responses, and to channel our energy there. By focusing on what we can change, we cultivate a sense of agency and empowerment. Life is not a straight path. We all face challenges, obstacles, and setbacks. But how we view these challenges is crucial. Stoicism teaches us to embrace difficulties as opportunities for growth and resilience. We learn to see them as tests of our character, as stepping stones on our path to becoming the best versions of ourselves. In a world that often encourages dissatisfaction and discontent, Stoicism offers a refreshing perspective: the power of gratitude. By appreciating the good things in our lives, the small joys, the loving relationships, the natural world around us, we shift our focus and cultivate a sense of contentment and abundance. Gratitude becomes a shield against negativity and a fuel for inner peace. We are not merely passengers on this ship of life. We are the captains, charting our course and navigating towards a meaningful destination. Stoicism teaches us to live with purpose. By identifying our values, our passions, and what truly matters to us, we can set goals that align with our deepest desires. This purpose becomes a guiding light, leading us through life's storms and towards a fulfilling existence. Even in the midst of chaos, there exists a haven of peace within each of us. Stoicism teaches us to cultivate this inner peace through practices like mindfulness and meditation. By learning to quiet our minds, connect with our breath, and observe our thoughts without judgment, we discover a wellspring of calmness and serenity that no external storm can reach. We are all part of something bigger than ourselves. Our lives are intertwined, our actions ripple outwards, impacting the world around us. Stoicism reminds us of our interconnectedness and encourages us to contribute to the greater good. Through acts of service, kindness, and compassion, we not only improve the lives of others but also enrich our own with a sense. We live in a world that often glorifies materialism and external validation. Stoicism offers a powerful antidote: the pursuit of virtue. By focusing on cultivating good character traits like courage, wisdom, justice, and temperance, we find true fulfillment and lasting satisfaction. These virtues become our guiding principles, helping us make decisions aligned with our values and contribute positively to the world around us. Life is a journey, not a destination. There will be moments of joy and triumph, but also times of sorrow and struggle. Stoicism teaches us to accept the impermanence of all things, to embrace both the good and the bad, knowing that nothing lasts forever. This acceptance frees us from clinging to fleeting pleasures or fearing inevitable pain. We learn to flow with the natural rhythm of life, finding peace and contentment in every moment. We are not meant to walk this path alone. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of community and connection. By surrounding ourselves with other strong, supportive women, we create a network of strength and resilience. We share our struggles, celebrate our victories, and learn from each other's experiences. This sisterhood becomes a source of inspiration and encouragement, reminding us that we are not alone in our journey. Embarking on this Stoic path is a lifelong commitment. It requires dedication, self-reflection, and consistent practice, but the rewards are immeasurable. You will cultivate inner strength, unwavering resilience, and a profound sense of peace. You will become the architect of your own happiness, the master of your emotions, and a force for good in the world. Remember, sisters, the power lies within you. You are capable of incredible strength, resilience, and wisdom. Embrace the teachings of Stoicism and watch your life transform. Start your journey today. Explore the resources provided on the screen and embark on your own Stoic journey. Remember, you are not alone. We are all in this together, a sisterhood of strength, resilience, and wisdom. Let's rise together and create a better world, one Stoic step at a time.